Okay friends, in this video we will learn, can we use ChatGPT to solve our math problems? So here is a simple math problem. For example, find the unknown. 81 equals 9 into what? So I think 9 times 9, 9 times 10 is 90. So 9 times 9 is 81. Let's see if ChatGPT can solve it. So we have taken a picture of this thing that I was showing you, and we will say solve. That's it. I've given it a picture and all I'm saying is solve, and let's see what does it do. So here is ChatGPT. It is showing, and then it is saying complete. Oh wow, it did it. 81 equals to 9 into m. We need to solve this equation, and so it's pretty interesting that it is able to read it. And what is it saying? So here it has given us the complete solution. So this is pretty interesting. It was able to solve, complete the mixed review, complete the subtraction. So now it is solving one by one, starting with the equations. So as you can see, all I did is I uploaded a very simple image, and ChatGPT was able to understand the image. It was able to extract the data, and now it is analyzing the all of the problems. So I think we know the answer to the very first one was 9 times 9. So here is m equal to 9, and even it is doing faster than I can read. So again, this is pretty impressive. We can use ChatGPT to solve math problem. All we need is we need to install the ChatGPT application, and I think all we did over here is we simply uploaded a picture, and that was it. So this is this simple. Okay guys, have fun with ChatGPT.